Fox Valley homeowners, if you're thinking of selling, this is how I operate. This is a listing of mine in Campton Hills. Step number 1, start with a strategy. Pricing, timing, a full digital and traditional marketing plan customized to you. Step number 2, I'll let you know what needs to be done prior to listing. And if you need it, I'll line up the pros to get your home show ready. Step number 3, I work with local staging experts to make sure your home stands out online and in person. Step number 4, professional photography, video, and floor plans. Every listing gets high quality media, no exceptions. Step number 5, I host broker tours and open houses that create a buzz. I get eyes on your home from both buyers and their agents. When you work with me, you get me. There's no handoff to a team member. It's one-on-one service from start to finish. Want to see the difference? Check out one of my listings.